Sleep. The river bends, whispers low. Fields of green, soft winds that blow. Twists and turns, the climb begins. Above the clouds where silence wins. Through the rain, through the sun. Every mile, every run. Dreams unfold, one by one. The road ahead has just begun. Cliffs rise high, the edges fade. Shadows dance where dreams are made. Every curve, every line. The pulse of the road feels divine. Drift blue, they blur the sight. Winding paths, fading light. The echoes hum, the moments stay. The road keeps calling, leading away. Through the rain, through the sun. Every mile, every run. Dreams unfold, one by one. The road ahead has just begun. Through the ride, where stories breathe. Mile left, each turn beneath. The journey rolls, the past unwinds. The open road, the ties that bind.